This lesson, we're going to do a quick CSS update on the start screen to make it more effective and look a little bit better, as right now it's kind of in line there and it's pushing down where the road is, so it doesn't look the best. So if we use a position absolute, we can float it above the road, again using a background color, so we need a way to kind of stand out, so we'll make it red. I'm going to update the width to be 50%, so that's dynamic there. So that way, when I do a margin or a left position, I can use 25% left. And also we can set a top, so we can set a default top of 100. A color for the font, set it to white. And we're going to also need to use Z index to make sure that it's actually going to show up on top of the road. So let's see what that looks like. And now when we hit start, and we generate it again, so now it's just popping up on top, and this looks quite a bit more effective and much better. You can also update the font family if you wanted to as well, so if you would do something a little bit more interesting. So try that one more time. So it stands out a little bit more as well. Press here to start, and arrow keys to move. If you hit a red car, you will lose, so we need to update that because we updated the color. So if you hit another car, you will lose. So this was just a quick lesson to fine tune it, and of course you can style it and color it and update it as needed. I'm also going to decrease the size of the fonts, so do a 1.7, and also so that we can do a line height. So this will affect where the positioning of the line is, and adjust it slightly, so make it 35. I'm trying to move the numbers more centered on top of the car, and as we can see, that's a little bit more centered. We can move them down slightly as well to maybe 38. So now we've got the numbers showing up on top of the car, and that's actually where we wanted it to. So a few minor adjustments. Have some fun with it, play around with the CSS to make your game look fantastic. So coming up next, we're going to do the code review.